Hello beautiful ladies, I hope you have a great day so far. Friends, today I am going to share with you my mini Sephora haul which I bought from Sephora Black Friday sale. So here is the products. First, friends, I bought this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. It is very good serum. So here friends, I have seen many review about this products, so I want to try this. So I make another separate video on this product and shows you the difference of the product on my skin before and after. I show you everything and give my full review about these products, so stay tuned with me. Next friends, I bought this Tarte Best of Marcuja Juicy Lip Set, and it comes with 4 different formulas and 4 different shades, and it has lip plump, lip vinyl, and lip gloss, lip plump gloss, and plumping lip oil. So here is the shades of the lip products. You can see everything in detail on the packaging, and this is the set friends. It's very beautiful set, and these shades suit every skin tone, I think. Next friends, I bought this REM Beauty Sweetener Foundation. I have the shade medium to N. So I also give you the full review about this foundation in my coming videos. Last but not the least friends, I bought this Summer Friday lip balm, and I have the shade Vanilla Base, and 50-gram product in this little tube. So I think it's a very good deal on Black Friday, and it's very viral product on everywhere. So I want to try this one. And these all the products come with these 2 samples. One is from Linnea's sleeping mask, and the other is Enhance Free Hydrate Glow. It's one use samples friends, so I don't know it's worth or not, but these are free. So these are all my products which I purchase on during the Black Friday sale. I hope you like the video friends. Thank you friends.